Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send gifts on Amazon. This is a fantastic feature that lets you add gift wrapping, personalized messages, and send items directly to your loved ones without revealing the price. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, navigate to the top search bar and type in the product you're looking for. Take your time browsing through the results until you find exactly what you want to send as a gift. When you've found the perfect item, click on it to open the product page. Here you'll see various options like color or size, so select your preferred choices. Once you've made those selections, look for the quantity option in the right panel and choose how many you'd like to send. This is especially useful if you're buying gifts for multiple people. Now here's an important step. In the right panel, click on Add to Cart. This part is crucial because Amazon only allows you to enable the gift option after you've added the item to your cart. You won't be able to set it as a gift if you go straight to checkout, so make sure you add it to your cart first. After adding the item, click on Go to Cart. If you happen to have several items in your cart but only want to send one as a gift, simply uncheck the boxes next to the other items. This ensures you're only proceeding with the gift you intend to send. Next, navigate to the product you want to send as a gift. Below the title of the product, you'll see a checkbox that says this is a gift. Check that box to enable the gift options. This is where the magic happens, as it unlocks features like gift wrapping and personalized messages. Once you've checked that box, click on Proceed to Checkout in the right panel. You'll now be prompted to select your delivery address. Make sure to enter the recipient's address if you're sending it directly to them, or use your own address if you plan to hand deliver it later. At this stage, you can optionally enter a gift message. This is a lovely touch that adds a personal note to your gift, letting the recipient know you're thinking of them. After that, look for any gift wrap or gift receipt options that appear in the add-ons section. If they're available, select the ones you prefer to make your gift even more special. Don't forget to click Save Gift Options to ensure all your choices are locked in. From here, select your payment method and review everything one last time. Finally, click Continue or place your order to complete the purchase. Your gift will be on its way, beautifully wrapped and ready to bring joy to someone special. And that's it. You've successfully sent a gift on Amazon with all the personalized touches. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.